Hey, what's up, everybody? So in today's video, we're going to set up some Google Analytics 4. It's the newest version of Google Analytics that came out. And I don't know if you know this or not, but if you have older Google Analytics on any website, they don't process any data anymore. So what's going to happen is you're going to not be able to track things. So there's some benefits of Google Analytics 4, like it's event-based tracking instead of user-based tracking. So it's supposed to get a better definition of tracking your users. So um, we're going to do it on a WordPress website. I love how there's a WordPress plugin from Google called SiteKit, and we're going to integrate that with the Google Analytics plugin, and we just got to link it up. And it's going to give you a nice back end looking dashboard in your WordPress that's going to look amazing. So let's dive right into it. What's up, guys? Thank you for joining me on setting up Google Analytics 4. So we just got a new fresh client. Shout out to Jeff's Toe in Buffalo Bills. Let's go. Um, so this is his WordPress website. So we took the campaign over and we're going to do some SEO on it. But we want to set up Google Analytics 4 on these because that's what we need to do to track. So first thing you're going to do is you want to go to Google Analytics. If you don't have an account, you should have an account if you have like a Gmail. So it's going to pop up and you're going to go to the screen right here where it says admin. And then you're going to hit create an account. And then you're going to call it what it is. I'm going to copy that because we're going to have to save that a few times. I don't like sharing my information with Google. Tech support, yeah, account specialist, maybe. So I just leave it on default and I click next. Again, you're gonna have to call it something and then we're gonna hit next. Business details, it's a small company and they're in maybe that one. I will call it that one, business industrial. All right, so the goal for this, we want to obviously generate leads. That's what makes money. We're going to accept the terms and conditions. And then now it's going to ask you, how do you want to start collecting the data? So we're going to do it on the web because obviously it's a website. So here's where you need to enter the URL. So the most important part is make sure it's on HTTPS. You should have an HTTPS site. If you have HTTP, you should get secure hosting. So we got to make sure to put it the exact way with the www. Sometimes the URLs have the www, sometimes they don't. And then we're going to call it again, that's Toe in Buffalo. All right. So here's what we want to do. We want to hit create stream. So now it's going to give you a stream ID, installation instructions. So we're going to scan our website. So it knows it's a WordPress website. This is the plugin that I recommend, SiteKit plugin. It's really good. So you're going to log into your WordPress dashboard, which I've already done. You're going to go to add new, and then you're going to hit SiteKit. Uh-oh. What does he have in his website? Well, Jeff has a little problem, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to try this on a different website. That's strange. September 12th. Looks like he has a firewall. I don't know. I'm not really a developer type of guy, but I'm going to deactivate his firewall. Just want to deactivate it. Let's see if that did anything. Oh, wow. So it seems like the developer set up something where uh, they're blocking plugins from being downloaded from the store. Um, Interesting. Um, Very interesting. I never came across this before. It's not like it's a high security site either. All right, so you should be able to be able to you should be able to just like download it from here, but if not, so what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna upload it. So we're gonna go see if we could do it this way. We're gonna try to do it the old-fashioned way. We're gonna download it from the WordPress store. And if this doesn't work, I'm gonna put it on another site. So as you can see, sometimes issues arise where you don't know what's going on with how the website was built. And because you don't know how the website was built, there might be things that block you from doing stuff. We're gonna see if this works. Oh, it actually worked. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna activate the plugin. Okay, so you see, always find a way. So now that we activated the plugin, it's going to ask you to start the setup. So now we want to connect the Google Analytics account to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit that. Again, I don't like sharing my data with Google. Google got enough data. And here we go again. Okay, we have an error. Blah, 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 blah. All right, so I guess I'm gonna have to contact Jeff. But anyway, so this is what you would need to do, and then you share it, and then you get a 503 error because that's how we roll, man. That's how Jeff has high security on his website. So I'll show you an example of one that actually has a good plugin installed already. Or we could just do it on this site too. You know, I could redo it. It's all good. Think, 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 think. Stop trying to copy my password, guys. You're not going to get it, okay? All right. All right, so here's the dashboard. All right. Plugins, we're going to check. All right, so then what you need to do is you're going to want to type in Sitekit here. I'm sorry, not there. Not, you got to add new, sorry. All right, Sitekit here. Fuck, there's a lot of them. We're going to call it Google Sitekit. Damn. Maybe Sitekit by Google, sorry. All right, this one. We're going to hit install. Then we're going to activate the plugin right here. So I'm basically doing this again on a website that is set up correctly. And you know, sometimes you're going to come across these issues when you're making a website, taking a website over, like in this case. And you know, sometimes things happen. So we're going to hit start setup. And again, we want to connect this. We want to sign in with Google. So now it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account. I got to use another account. Boom, boom, boom. Nope. All right, so now you're going to just give it like, well, let's just check. All right, so Google's going to be able to download your analytics data. They're going to be able to view your tag manager. So they're basically going to be able to see what's going on in your Google Analytics account. So, okay. We're going to hit continue, and then you're verified. We're going to turn on metrics in the dashboard, and then this sets it up on Search Console. You're going to hit next if it's not already there. Then you're going to hit next again, and Boom, it should be all done. So what I really like about this is it connects basically to your dashboard, and then what happens is it basically gives you or your client a back end when they log in. They could actually see stuff going on in here. It's very cool. So I'm going to show it to you right now. So it's connecting. Okay. All right, great. So now it's basically going to show this, like how you don't even have to log into Google Analytics, or you could even tell your client they could log into their website backend now to see basically all the analytics from their website. They could see the traffic over 28 days. They could see what keywords they're typing. They can see which pages they're clicking. So this just simplifies Google Analytics to the end user and you, and basically more importantly, it connects it to Google Analytics. So then you can see all kinds of stuff here. So I really like this that Google made this plugin because it definitely gives you and your client a back end to see everything in a nice, precise way, very easily laid out. Because if you go to Google Analytics or Search Console, it could be very confusing to look at. So I mean, see, it's kind of very similar here, but they just put it in a nicer way for Google Analytics in your website. It even tells you how fast your website is. So I got some work to do on this side, it looks like, because I gotta improve this, this, and this. So it tells you what you need to improve, how to improve it. So you could actually use this to, fix the website up even more, because you want to make it in a way where your website loads super fast and it's super helpful for you to all right. So also what I really like about the plugin is right when you go to the back end, it's very visible. You're able to see it right away. All you do is you go to the back end, you log in, and then it's right up here, site kit, hit dashboard, and boom, you see this. So this is very easy to set up, as you can see, as long as you have a WordPress website. Uh, they made it super easy, very hassle-free to set this up. And then you can play with your settings in here as well. You got to make sure that all these are connected. It's really good to connect Search Console and page speed insights as well, because that's going to give you the data for like how fast your website is it loading too slow, what's causing it to load so slow. And then Search Console is pretty much going to show you the SEO aspect of it, what the keywords people are typing. So very good. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.